Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Muhammad Adib bin SHAHRIZAN, matric number 084930. Today, my group will present about a brief overview and practical objective of the case study A. Today, I will introduce about an operating system. An operating system is the core software that manages a computer hardware and software resources. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer, allowing user to run applications, manage files, and control hardware devices efficiently. Common operating systems include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. An operating system performs essential functions such as process management, memory management, file management, device management, and security. Without an operating system, a computer will be unable to function effectively or provide a user-friendly environment. Therefore, operating systems play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of modern computing devices. The objective of this case study is understand the basic concept of Linux shell scripting, learn to use variable user input and conditional statement, apply loops and function in the shell script to process certain information, and generate a formatted student profile report using shell scripting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad SYAKIR bin Abdul Rahim, nombor matrik 084990. Hari ini saya akan menerangkan bahagian metodologi dan development environment bagi projek ini. Projek ini dibangunkan menggunakan persekitaran Linux dan Bash shell scripting. Terminal digunakan untuk mencipta directory projek, menavigasi folder serta menjalankan arahan yang diperlukan untuk membangunkan skrip. Seterusnya, satu directory khas telah diwujudkan untuk menyimpan semua fail projek. File skrip bernama student_profile.sh telah dicipta dan diberikan kebenaran menggunakan arahan chmod +x supaya ia boleh dijalankan terus melalui terminal. Skrip ini juga direka untuk mengumpulkan maklumat pelajar seperti nama, umur, fakulti dan kursus. Selain itu, ia menggunakan syarat if-else untuk menentukan sama ada pelajar dikategorikan sebagai minor atau dewasa dan juga menggunakan loop untuk memaparkan mesej pemprosesan sebelum menghasilkan profil pelajar. Pelajar satu menunjukkan proses penciptaan directory, file script dan konfigurasi kebenaran file dalam terminal. Sekian, terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shafiq bin IKBAL, matrix number 08460. For my part today, I will talk about script structure core functions. The student profile.sh script demonstrates fundamental Linux shell scripting concepts including user input handling, conditional statements, loops, and functions to generate a formatted student profile report. Okay, starting off with input device, which is name, age, faculty, and course. It collects information entered by the user, uses the read command to store data in variables, and provide dynamic input for profile generation. Next is conditional logic, whether minor or adult. It uses an if-else statement, evaluates the student's age, and assigns the status minor or adult. Finally, the function output is the formatted student profile. It calls the display profile function, and it displays student information in a structured format and produces the final academic profile report. Moving on is script structure, inputs, and conditional. This section explains how the script collects information from the user and applies conditional logic to evaluate the student's age. User inputs are stored in variables and processed using an if-else statement to determine whether the student is classified as a minor or an adult. For user inputs, it gathers students' information, store data in variables for later processing. The read command receives input from the user, -p displays a prompt message, inputs are stored in variables. For conditional logic, on the other hand, it determines student status based on age. Minus LT means less than. If age is below than 18, then the status is a minor. If age is 18 or above, then the status is adult. Result stored in variable status.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin SHAMSUL AZHAR. My number metric is 085279. Moving on to the 7th slide, we simulate a background processing sequence by implementing a for loop that iterates exactly 3 times. During each iteration, the system displays the text processing profile and briefly pause for 1 second using the SYAKIR command. From a technical standpoint, this section successfully simulates core operating system concept, specifically CPU-bound processing and background task delays before the finalized results are displayed. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAZIM. Metric number 084484. I will explain about system testing and output validation. I will start with adult profile first. The student profile system was used to record the academic information of Adam Catmon. After entering his name, age, faculty, and course, the system processed the data and generate a student profile. Since Adam is 32 years old, the system automatically classified him as an adult. His profile shows that he is enrolled in the Information Technology Diploma under the Faculty of Computer Informatics. Next, minor profile. The student profile system was also used to create a profile for Nadmi Sazali. The user entered his personal and academic details, including his age of 17 years old. After processing the information, the system identified him as a minor because he is below 18 years old. The general profile shows that he is studying for Computer Science Diploma in the Faculty of Computer Informatics.
The conclusion of this case study is operating systems are essential software that manage computer hardware and software resources. They provide a user-friendly interface between user and computers. Key functions include process management, memory management, file management, and device control. Operating system improve system efficiency, security, and overall performance. Popular examples include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. And the last one, understanding operating system is fundamental for learning computer science and information technology. That's all from us. Thank you.